Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed could be the key to aging gracefully? As we grow older, our bodies undergo a series of changes that can affect our health and well-being. That's where flaxseed comes in, a tiny seed that's packed with nutrients and has been shown to play a role in maintaining our health as we age. Inflammation is a major challenge we face as we get older, and it's been linked to a range of age-related diseases. Heart disease is another significant concern, as our risk of heart disease increases with age. Many people also struggle with cognitive decline, which can affect our memory and ability to learn new things. Our digestion also slows down, making it harder for our bodies to absorb the nutrients we need. Flaxseed is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce our risk of heart disease. It's also high in fiber, which can help support healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Fiber can also help lower cholesterol levels, which is essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Antioxidants are another key component of flaxseed, and they play a crucial role in protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants in flaxseed makes it a powerful tool in the fight against age-related diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation, while fiber and antioxidants work together to support healthy digestion and prevent cell damage. This makes flaxseed an excellent addition to a healthy diet, particularly as we get older. By incorporating flaxseed into our daily routine, we can take a proactive approach to maintaining our health and well-being. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that flaxseed supplementation reduced inflammation and improved cardiovascular health in older adults. Another study found that flaxseed improved cognitive function in individuals with mild cognitive impairment. These findings suggest that flaxseed may have a positive impact on age-related health issues. Many people have also reported improved overall health after adding flaxseed to their diet, with some even experiencing reduced symptoms of menopause. More and more people are turning to flaxseed as a natural way to support their health as they age. With its unique combination of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, it's no wonder why flaxseed is becoming increasingly popular. The benefits of flaxseed are clear, and it's easy to incorporate into our daily routine. Whether we're looking to reduce our risk of heart disease or simply maintain our overall health, flaxseed is definitely worth considering. Incorporating flaxseed into our diet can have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being as we age. With its rich mix of nutrients and potential to reduce inflammation, heart disease, and cognitive decline, flaxseed is a simple yet powerful way to support healthy aging. If you've had a positive experience with flaxseed or have any questions about how to incorporate it into your diet, be sure to leave a comment below. And if you're looking for more tips on healthy dietary choices for aging, check out our other video on the top foods to support healthy aging.